Very good morning, students. So I hope you all are well. So today we are going to solve the exercise because chapter 6 fractions has been started now. Okay, and in my previous video I have explained about the fractions, the basic introduction of fractions. So let's start the exercise. So this is your course book. So let's open the page. So this is page number 97. Let's try one. Okay, page number 97. Let's try one. We are going to solve now. So now let's start doing this. So first problem is read the story and answer the question. So they have given us a story in 4 parts, A, B, C, D. Yes, so we have to read this story, then we have to give the answer. Now so let's read the A part. Ajay baked a cake for a party, but his younger sister ate half part of the cake, shared the part Ajay's sister ate. So Ajay baked one cake. Okay, this is just assume this is one cake which Ajay baked, and his younger sister ate half of the cake. Yes, so shared the part Ajay's sister ate. So half part means the whole. Half 1 by 2 is written here. Half means half we can show with 1 by 2 also. Yes, we can indicate with 1 by 2. So how we will do? Total we have 1 and 2 is here. It means it is divided into 2 equal parts. Yes, so 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So we have to shade it the half part. So I have divide this circle into 2 parts, and half part I have shaded this part. Ajay's younger sister ate this part, half of the part, because this is half part and this is also half part. Yes, here you can say 1 by 2. This part is also 1 by 2 and this part is also 1 by 2. So half of the part she ate. So this part she ate. Now this part we have left. Okay, this part of cake has been left. So now see the B. Later his younger brother ate 1/4 part of the cake, shared the part Ajay's brother ate. Now half cake his sister ate, and now 1/4. 1/4 means the fourth part of the cake. Yes, if we will divide the whole cake into 4 equal parts, so each part represent 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. This one is also 1 by 4. This one is also 1 by 4. And this part is also 1 by 4. Yes, 1 by 4 means if we are dividing the whole into 4 equal parts. So Ajay's brother ate at 1/4 part of the cake. So this part Ajay's brother ate. This part half of the cake his sister ate, and the one of the 1/4 part his brothers ate. So now shade and name the part of the cake that is left. Now how much cake has been left? So this is the total cake, one whole cake, half part his sister ate. Now if I am making here all, so this 1/4 part his brother ate. So which part is left? This part is left. So we have to shade it the leftover part. So what is the leftover part? This is the leftover part. So how many part has been left over? 1/4 part, or you can say 1 by 4. Here you can write 1/4, or in the bracket you can write 1 by 4. Got it? So now the D1. Now Ajay made a new cake for his brother and sister. They cut the cake into 3 equal parts as shown. Name the fraction each part of the cake shows here. So this is the whole cake. If we are dividing this whole cake into 3 equal parts, 3 equal parts means total we have one whole, and this whole we are dividing 3 equal parts. So each part represent 1 by 3, or you can say 1/3. Okay, 1/3, or in words you can write 1/3, in number you can write 1 by 3. Okay, now come on the next question. Question number 2 here. Yes, if black represent 1, what is the fraction that the other strip represents? Yes, so they have given a few colorful strips are there. One is black, then yellow, light blue, green, pink, red, yellow. Yes, so now they are saying if this black color strip represent whole, or you can say one. Yes, so what the other strips will be represent? So see here, if you will see, I have written few numbers here in each block. So we can say total it is coming on 36. Yes, this is number 36. So means in this strip, this black strip is divided into 36 blocks. How many blocks are there? Total 36, and these 36 blocks make a whole, one strip. Yes, they have given us if black represent 1, so these 36 blocks represent one whole, means 36 is equal to one whole. Now see this strip, so this is coming on 18. Yes, 18, and total we have 36. So 18 is the half of the 36. Yes, 2 times we can make 18. 1 to 18, if you will count here, again 18. Yes, so it is coming half of the 36. Yes, if you will divide 36 into 2 parts, so 18 will come. So it means this is 1 by 2. Means 1, we have whole 1 and we are dividing into 2 equal parts. One part here and the other part will be here. So this is the half of this strip. So what we will do? 1 by 2, because here we have 36 and here we have 18. Yes, it is coming on 18. So 18 is half of this 36. Yes, so 18 plus 18 is equal to 36. So this color, this yellow color strip represent half, or you can say 1 by 2. So here you have to write 1 by 2. Now come on this blue strips. So let's see, it is coming on 12. Yes, so if you will see 12, how many 12s will come here till 36? So 1 time 12, if you will count from here, 2 times 12 and 3 times 12, means this is divided into 3 equal parts. How many parts? 1 part, 2 part, 3 equal parts. This 36 we have divided into 3 equal parts. If you will divide 36 by 12, so you will get 3, means this 36 is divided into 3 equal parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. Here it is coming on number 12. Yes, means 12 blocks. Again if you will count 12 blocks, it will come here. Again you will count, it will come here till 12. So 1 time 12, 2 time 12, 3 time 12. So we have divided this whole strips into 3 equal parts. Yes, so we can write 1 by 3. Now come here, green color strips. So it is coming on till 9. Yes, so if you will divide 36 by 9, so you will get how many parts? 4 times. Yes, 9 4s are 36. So we can divide this 9 4 times. 1 time 9, 2 time 9, 3 time 9 and 4 time 9. Yes, so it means it is divided into 4 equal parts. 1 time 9, 2 time 9, 3 time 9, 4 time 9. Yes, so we can represent it by 1 by 4. Now come on this pink color strip. It is coming on number 6. See here, it is coming on till 6, means total 6 blocks. So if you will divide 36 by 6, so you will get 6. 6 6 are 36. It means we can divide this strips into 6 equal parts here. 1 time, 2 time, 3 times 6, 4 times 6, 5 times 6 and 6 times 6. So it means this whole strip is divided into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, so 6 6 are 36. So it is representing. Now let's see this red strip. So it is coming on till number 4. Yes, total 4 blocks, 1 2 3 4. So and the whole is 36. So we have to divide 36 into 4 equal parts. So if you will divide 36 by 4, you will get 9. 4 9s are 36. Yes, so we can divide these 4 blocks 9 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time, 7 time, 8 time, 9 time. So means one whole is divided into 9 equal parts. So this is the 1/9 part of this strip. So here we will write 1 by 9. Yes, this is the 1/9 part. This is the whole. Till here we have one whole, and this is the 9th part of this whole. So we will write 1 by 9. Now see here the last one, yellow strip. 1 2 3, total we have 3 blocks. So we have to divide this 36 into 3 equal parts. So if you will divide 36 by 3, so you will get 12. So means 12 times we can divide this 3. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this means this is the 1/12th part of this strip. Total we have 36, and we are dividing this 36 into 3 blocks. So if you are dividing this 36 in 3 blocks, so total you will get 12 parts. Yes, so this shaded part, this yellow part, is the 1/12th part of this whole strip. So here you will write 1 by 12. Got it? How we will do this? Nothing is there. Just count the first strip, because they have said if black represent 1. 1 means this is the whole. Yes, this is the whole, and we are dividing. What is the fraction that the other strip represent? Fraction means dividing into equal parts only. Yes, so total here it is 36, and it is we have 18. So 2 times 18. So we have to divide this 36 by 18. Yes, 18 2s are 36, means 2 time it will come. 1 time 18, 2 time 18. Now here it is coming on 12 number. So 36 we have to divide by 12. So you will get 3. 12 3s are 36, means 3 time we can divide this. 1 time 12, 2 time 12, 3 time 12. So it is the 1/3 part of this whole strip. The same way it is coming on 9. So you have to divide 36 by 9. So you will get 4, means 4 time we can make 9 9. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. So this is a 1/4 part of this. This is the same way, it is a 1/6 part of this whole. This is the whole, and this shaded, this pink part is only 1/6 part. This red part is 1/9 part, and this yellow part is 1/12 part. So this is your homework also. You have to finish this. Let's try one. Okay, so bye bye to you all. Take care.